everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. I'll be helping you learn how to log into Clever student account in today's video. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into Clever student account, go to your web browser, type in clever.com and search. This is the official website of Clever. As you scroll down, you'll be able to view a student login, family login, teachers, staffs, district admin login, and many more. To log into Clever student account, tap on student login right here. Now search for your school, type a name here. After typing the name, you'll be taken to another page right here. You can either log in using your Google ID, you can log in with your Active Directory, or log in with Clever badges. Let me tap on login with Google. On the next page, you'll need to enter your email address or your phone number to continue. Type in your email address and tap on the next button at the bottom right. Enter your password on the next page. In case you forgot the password and can't seem to log into your account, then simply tap on Forgot Your Password link provided right below and you'll be able to reset to a new password. Tap on the next button after you are done and you will be logged into Clever student account. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes like this. Goodbye till then.